Henna is not just a treatment. It's a culture, a ritual, a lifestyle, a choice, where you choose what's good for you and let the Mother Nature take care of the rest. At Hennasooq, we hand select only the best natural ingredients and use traditional recipes proven by our ancestors, only to deliver the best organic beauty products to your doorstep. From our caring hands to yours. Hennasooq started with one woman who wanted to change the way we do beauty, so that you can feel connected to the earth, remember where you came from, and stay beautiful, naturally. Let Hennasooq be your guide to the world of organic hair dyes, ancient rituals of henna tattoo, and spiritual traditions from all over the world. Ready to go natural?